let's take a look and see how this camera does in off-road.
Whoa, Robert!
No, I can't do it.
What are you doing? Robert! Now you're going crazy. Watch that rock. Oh God, now you're really going to tear it up.
All right, here we go. This is beautiful.
Isn't it? Sunset, really pretty. Just really like not to stop.
Don't even talk about it.
Oh, Robert.
Big rocks, I couldn't get through.
not good. I hope you didn't run anything. Just be careful of the cows, okay? Hard to see at night.
I think it's hopefully it's Bob proof.
Well, that I can't guarantee that.
That's true. I can break this and often do.
Vehicles, yeah. They're hard on the vehicle.
I hope you enjoyed what we just did. We had some real fun with this Jeep Wrangler with the new Escort M1 dash cam as well as the Max 360C. Although off-road we really didn't need the radar detector because I don't think we saw any police. We saw some cows, some big rocks, but no police, so we were good there. So, and if you're interested in purchasing either these Escort M1's dash cam or the Escort Max 360C or any of these other detectors, give Radar Busters a call or visit them at radarbusters.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and like us down there, and be sure to subscribe, and we'll have more interesting and fun videos coming your way. So take care.